Hello, dzień dobry, selamat pagi, guten morgen, and welcome all Bali lovers today morning from Sanur. We're in Tanjung Sari with my lovely wife Winnie here.
Hi everyone!
And we have a few important informations for you guys this morning, what was happening in the last week, and also we're gonna enjoy our morning coffee. But before we're gonna start, I would like to apologize. Unfortunately, there will be no live stream today, but the live stream will be tomorrow on Sunday, and Winnie gonna be with me this time, so I hope so you enjoyed. I invite you, all of you, tomorrow 4 p.m. for the live stream, and of course next Saturday, as always, usual time will be the live stream. So this is the area of Tanjung Sari Hotel for everyone who are familiar. Our coffee arrived, pastry, and sayong.
Morning breakfast. Okay guys, so today I read many news regarding to the travel to Bali. The first one is about Garuda Indonesia, the first flight Garuda Indonesia from Sydney to Bali, which was yesterday if I'm not mistaken. So this flight took around 60 passengers, but only I think that 30 of them are Australian.
31,
so,
I think.
31, yeah. So now I think that they are still in quarantines. I think still if you are fully vaccinated, you are quarantined 3 days, 2 days, 2 nights in the hotel. And then the second news is that Singapore will extend the VTL or vaccinated travel lane to Bali. So it means that for those Singaporeans, Slims, MG, and whoever else, that Singaporeans, you can travel to Bali, with the VTL. So I think that VTL you can travel with no quarantines, right? Only the test only on the departure and also before arrival, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so that's the two good news. And then for those who has been asking, how about the VOA visa on arrival and travel, no quarantine, something like that, is there any news? We still need to wait for the official statement later. So and then we will let you know everything regarding to visa on arrival and also no quarantine. But keep finger crossed, guys. We still wait for the official statement letter from the government.
Meanwhile, this is how the peaceful life in Sanur the morning is going on. A few hundred tourists arrived to Bali in 2022. Meanwhile, a few 100,000 people arrived to Thailand, for example. So I hope so Bali officials gonna be quick with making decisions. And yeah, very hot. Actually, I feel so tired after the Nyapi day. Some of you may think as actually during the Nyapi you don't do anything and you could take a rest, relax, but actually each year if I'm staying in Bali I feel more tired than before. Maybe that's because it's out of my daily routine and my body is like getting tired after that, but yeah, that's how it is. This is Besaki Hotel anyway, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Sanur beach. Also very nice place for everyone who are thinking, considering to come for holiday to Sanur maybe. If you're gonna arrive this year, I hope so. Anyway, this year will be definitely better year than 2021. All world is opening up slowly. So this is Grand Ina behind. Well, except the sad situation in Russia and Ukraine, everything actually seems to going to be better and better in this year. I hope so, guys. Let's see how is the little situation next to Gria Santrian Hotel and Villa Shanti, also very popular place in Sanur. Many of you are very familiar with this area, but for everyone who are not familiar with Sanur, you know what to expect around. Also you can cycling at morning like these people do, or have at morning jogging. Gria Santrian, they have a little refurbishment right now, but yeah. Also Sanur is popular for the sunrise, so you cannot watch sunset, but every morning there will be usually very sunny and very hot And if you wake up at 6 a.m., you can watch beautiful sunrise here. This is Villa Shanti behind. Belongs to the same ownership as Gria Santri, and this is actually royal family of Sanur. I think I already talked about that, but yeah, it's good to mention. They are opening up. Actually, most of the business by the beach opening up nowadays in Sanur, so that's definitely big hope in the air, I could say. Here is little forest. I used to do the live stream last week here, so if you watch this, you are familiar, and you can also check this out if you miss it. I cover all area of Sanur actually by the beach, almost all. Also very interesting fact regarding the traveling. Many Australian people who always coming to Bali, they also notice, you guys notice, as is even traveling to Mexico right now for Aussie people is easier than coming to Bali. So I hope so the officials really gonna start doing something to make the all regulations and traveling to Bali easier, because well, at the moment Bali is staying very far behind, not even mention about Thailand, when the Thailand is like having already for few months situation when you test and go. If you are negative, you are just travel and you can enjoy the Thailand very easily. So Thailand took already few 100,000 tourists from all around the world for that. So Bali really have to do something into that way to make it very easier. And also interesting fact, if you would like to go to Europe right now, like if I would like to go to see my parents, my family in Poland, I can just buy ticket from Jakarta, let's say going to Turkey, to Istanbul, go explore a little bit in Istanbul, having a kebab, Turkish coffee, just make a test. If it's negative, it's no problem, no needs to quarantine, no needs to have anything. And as because Turkey, especially Istanbul, is already part of European Union, and if I'm triple vaccinated, I just buy ticket, go to Poland without any kind of testing, not even mention about the quarantines. So traveling actually going to be very, very much easier everywhere elsewhere. So I hope so the Southeast Asia, including Bali especially, gonna change something to make it easier. Otherwise, Bali gonna lose a lot of tourists worldwide. What nobody wants to do it, not even mention local Balinese people who owning businesses around. So I hope so next upcoming months, weeks, it's gonna be definitely better. I hope so.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Sanur in the morning, coffee by the beach. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!